All right, so we're getting onto the roof. What I noticed is that these shingles are actually sealed down pretty well, which is good. It's exactly what we want. The only problem is that all of these gutter aprons, they're supposed to be flush, just like those gutter aprons. When you have your gutter aprons exposed like this, what happens is the gutters is going to overfill with water, and guess what? The water is going to get inside the building envelope. All right, let's take a look at this roof real quick. All right, surprisingly, this roof actually didn't have too much hail damage. You do have some hail damage to the metal roof vents. The hail was actually quite big. Those damages are cosmetic. It's not really caused any issues to the roof. One thing I really want to direct your attention to is this chimney flashing, how it's exposed, and I would be very surprised if water is not already getting in, because it is an opening and this is supposed to be covered just like where it's over here. So we didn't really see too much hail damage on this roof, but what we did see was we found some wind damage. So over here we got a couple of sections that we did a little test. You see this little zigzag, and what happens is, check this out, it's all opened up. So all this entire section is all lifted and water can get in. It's pretty bad. So you can even see, if I point it low enough, you can see the felt underneath. And on the front, same thing. Oh, by the way, the garage roof got a whole section on the top right here. It got blown off by the wind. All right, let's go back to the front. Front, we actually do see a little bit of hail damage, not as much on the back. So when the hail impacts the shingles, it's going to take that granules off. Granules are supposed to protect your roof from the UV rays. Otherwise, over time, all these little dents right here is going to shrink. They're going to warp because of the exposure to the sun. Now, again, just like the backside, we have all these zigzags that I did a test, and this is all the wind damage. See? And it actually goes quite high, and every time when the wind blows, this is what it's doing, and eventually this is going to tear off. Same thing over on this section as well. All right, next, let's take a look at your insurance policy to see if we have the right coverage.